Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to use Threads, and I'm going to talk to you about the differences between Twitter and Threads. Now, for those of you that don't know what Threads is a copy-paste Twitter clone, but I mean, it's a new innovation from Mark Zuckerberg and the Meta team. They found a way to create an echo chamber where they're going to collect all your data and everybody's going to play nice with everybody else. So as long as everybody agrees and there's no hard feelings and there's no bad words, then there won't be any problems. If you don't agree with the regular narrative, or if you don't, if you've got your own thoughts on things, prepared to be censored and maybe even punished. Who knows? So this is like Twitter for a kindergarten class. So there you go. But hey, that's okay. Everybody gets a trophy, doesn't matter. So anyways, let's get rolling. I've got Threads here installed on my app, or on my phone, pardon me, and you'll see here it's this neat looking @ sign here. I'm going to click on it, and when I log into it, now we're going to go ahead and get a few options. I'm going to go ahead and just log in with my Instagram. I've got a comedy business. So there you go. I've gone ahead and logged in with it, and presto, this is what you're going to see. I've automatically added in a few of my friends, but if you don't, you can click on this little search button and you can just start following people. But here you go. Here's how we create content. It's the middle icon right here. And then all you got to do is start a new thread. So I would go, hello world, and bang, here we go. This is how you create your first post. I'm going to hit post and anyone can reply, and presto, I'm now on Threads and I'm doing things. Now, let's talk about the differences between the programs. This is probably what you came for. First off, Threads has a 500 character limit, where Twitter, right now, it has 280 for unpaid users, but 25,000 for paid subscribers. So keep that in the back of your head. Also, Threads allows multiple accounts as well as Twitter. So something you might want to keep a note of. Verification. You can now log in on Threads if you're verified on Instagram, pardon me, where Twitter has $11 a month for mobile verification. So, and again, all of this is inside this little image that I'm going to share with you. Deleting accounts, you can delete accounts on all of them, Twitter and Threads. You can have a private account on Threads as well. There are no usage limits on Threads at the moment, but that could change. There are some temporary usage limits on Twitter, as you've probably seen in the news. They've had some issues with AI scraping and a few other things. The big one is there's no hashtags on Threads like crazy. So the feed options for Threads is just following a main thread, where on Twitter you can, you'll see trending and chronological, people you follow, things like that. You cannot edit your posts on Threads at the moment, where on Twitter paid subscribers can. There is no direct messaging on Threads at the moment, a big one. There's also no desktop option for opinion, desktop option for Threads as well. So keep that in mind. Hashtags do not work, like I mentioned before. And not suitable for work content is not allowed on all of them, really. But I mean, Threads is really going to push this, guy. So there you go. Log in, get your participation trophy. You know what? Hopefully nobody offends you. And if you like this video, stay tuned. I got a lot more.